What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So I went on my morning stroll through Johannesburg today, and the craziest thing happened. I saw a sculpture of a bull, and right beside that was a restaurant called the Bullrun. And a few hours later, the market absolutely exploded. If that's not a sign from God, I don't know what is. Of course, there's no promises that the bull run is starting, but we just broke 25K. I'll throw the pictures up on the screen. I probably already did. Pretty cool coincidence. So we're sitting at 26.1. Can you guys believe it? 26.2K, up 14% on the day. Same market about 500. 24-hour volume, 54.63 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitget, make sure to sign up, grab up to 8K in bonuses, or Bybit up to 30,000 in bonuses. Email me or sign up email, give you completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members talking crypto, talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns, trade signals, all kinds of that good stuff. So let's hop into BTC. So we just absolutely exploded. Let's actually start with these charts here. So we talked about creating that inverse head and shoulders, coming down to create that right shoulder. Now, it's not the prettiest pattern in the world, but it is valid. And we've broken the neckline. So I do think there's a high likelihood we come back down for a retest of 24K. We may break a little bit below it. But if we hold and we start to bounce, especially if we hold the daily EMAs as we've exploded back above them, then we can push up, and that could push you all the way up to 38K, and it's pretty close to the technical target of our wave 3. So if we take our wave count, we'll do it quickly right here. So it's more convenient. Wave 1, that's your wave 2 pullback. Push up in a 3, 4, 5. We'll change the color so it doesn't match up with the support and resistance levels. Let's go with white. Yeah, I like white. And take a fib extension from the bottom of the wave 1 to the top to bottom of wave 2. And your wave 3 target's all the way up at 42.3K, 43K, as we talked about in yesterday's video. So pretty exciting times. We've exploded through 25K. We love to see it. I've fully added to my HODL positions, which I've talked about in the Discord, and it will show the average price. All of the planned allocation I had for those coins are now into those projects, mostly altcoins. Now, of course, I'm doing this at my own risk. There's no promises the bottoms are in. But once the coins start to break above the averages, average price, I'll move the stop loss, break even slightly into profits to cover the fees, and we'll see how it plays out if the bottom is in. And I was able to enter those coins on the wave 2 pullback, which is absolutely perfect in my opinion. Now, looking at our wave count, I've moved up the wave 3. I think our wave 3 is extended, so you came up in a wave 1, wave 2 pullback. There's your wave 3, wave 4. Push up into wave 5. We've already come close to the target for the wave 5 at 26.8K. Of course, it can overextend, but if we were to pull back from here, we can give a wave 2 pullback based off the fib retracement in between the 0.5 to 0.786, 22.9K and about 21K. So if we do pull back from here and we can hold that wave 2 pullback, we could even just come down to the minimum target of 23.7K. If we can hold 21K and we bounce, and that's an absolutely massive bullish sign that the wave 2 low is in and the bull market is starting. Of course, nothing is promised, so I will never say it's guaranteed. But it is a very strong signal of the wave 2 being complete and us getting started with this bull run, which would be very exciting. We had that extremely bearish news, Silicon Valley Bank as well as USDC, and the market tends to turn around on a bearish catalyst, and we've been getting, and for the last 6 months or a year, all we've been getting is extremely bearish news, and for the bull run to begin. Of course, there's no promises. This could be an overshooting wave B, and then we come down into wave C. But as of right now, it's looking pretty good for the bullish case, in my opinion. As I mentioned here, if we can hold this neckline, it's currently coming in about 24.2. We may come a little bit lower to 22K, 23K. See if we can hold these daily EMAs and then see continuation to the upside. And we could explode all the way up to 38.8K, which is the target of this inverse head and shoulders. And our 1.618 target for the wave 3 at about 42.3K. So that's pretty much it for this little update. Very, very exciting. Perfect retest of this falling wedge from the previous all-time high. Picture perfect retest. As you can see, we broke out. We came back to retest and we've exploded to the upside. So the technical target is the top of the wedge, which is the previous all-time high at about 67K. for BTC. All right, gang, very exciting times. Make sure to sign up to either Bitget or Bybit. Grab those bonuses. Email me or sign an email, completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns and talking all things crypto. And at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, trade signals, crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here, and my Mahara alt plays are all coming in for $10 a month. Cannot believe I saw the bull and the restaurant's name was the Bull Run just a couple hours before the market exploded. Wow, what a sign. But we'll see. The bear market may continue. There's no promises. We'll see how it plays out. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.